In this video, I will show you how to use the AI comment feature to automatically reply to comments on your Instagram posts, and optionally remove spam or abusive comments, all with your custom AI rules.
From the left sidebar, open AI Powered, then click AI Comment. What AI Comment does? AI Comment lets you set AI rules that watch your Instagram comments and respond for you. You can run it for all posts on a page or target a specific post or reel. At the top, you'll see Choose Instagram Page. You'll write two short instructions, one for how to reply and one for which comments should be removed. You can also limit the length of AI replies. In the Scope field, choose one of two options. Manage all posts on this page, one manager that applies to every post on the selected page. Manage a specific post or reel, a manager that applies only to one post. Keep in mind, one manager per post. You can't create multiple all post managers, and you also can't create all if you already have post-specific managers. The app will warn you. If you select Manage a specific post or reel, a Select Post or Reel section appears. Click Choose Post or Reel to open the media picker. Next, write your instructions for the AI, how to reply. Tell the AI tone and rules to reply to comments. For example, be friendly, short, and helpful. If someone asks about price, say we'll DM them the pricing link. Avoid emojis. Which comments should be removed? Define spam or abuse you want removed. For example, delete comments with explicit hate speech, repeated links, or phishing keywords. Keep genuine questions and feedback. Set max characters per AI reply. 0 equals unlimited. If you want concise answers, set a number like 280. If you want full flexibility, leave it at 0. When you're ready, click Create. If you're editing an existing one, this button will say Update, and you'll also see a Cancel button to exit edit mode. That's it! You've set up AI Comment to handle your Instagram comment replies and keep your threads clean automatically.
CVP Chat, your twin on Instagram.